Today is Monday, April the 4th, and today I woke up at like 5 o'clock. I'm like, oh my God. So yeah, I just kind of like went through like social media. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, I was just like wide awake, and then I was like, okay, this is dumb. You need to go back to sleep. So luckily I did, but then when I wake up, my alarm went off at 7 because I parked at the back and had to move my car. So anyway, it was a nice start to the morning because I just got dressed and got the heck out of here. Had made my coffee, took it with me. So I walked back through the city. I love it when the world's asleep and it's just me and everything's quiet. So yeah, that was a really nice start to my morning. So then my thought this morning was, I was like, why, Anne, why do you have your storage things piled up in your kitchen? Oh, I know. I love to like organize everything and I love to go into people's spaces, and it makes more sense when I'm there. I don't know why. Well, they probably have more space than me for one. So this is a bit of a challenge. So my first thought was like, okay, I have like little nooks, like I have like like space outside my bathroom door. I also have some space inside my bedroom where I just have tables and cute towels rolled up, and I'm thinking that would look so much better in my hallway than all this stuff. So anyway, I just have like one pile straight up of the things that I haven't been able to get to yet. But again, I say you just do one little bucket at a time. Don't overwhelm it. When you overwhelm yourself, it just like defeats all of the, you might as well just like, I don't know, just stop. Leave all the stuff and the clutter around you. Because if you can't really get psyched up and excited in your mind, you really can't tackle it to the best of your ability. So this morning, I actually just started moving things and tables. I have like a cuter table by the door. Just have to move some garbage stuff that's got to go out before I can take photos. I'll post some photos on here for you. And also that probably would be a separate video, or willn't, because I have to go in it and like start to do my room. So, yeah, I'm trying to keep it pretty serene in there so I don't have to look at a lot of stuff. But so, yeah, I'm not really sure. Anyway, I guess we'll all see what's going to happen. So anyhow, yeah, when I started like farting around with everything, I looked at the clock and I had most of it done. Like you see me working, and there's this, it's just a cupboard across from my sink. And so that was going to be an island that we were going to have stools on the other side, but that never happened. So why do I go and move that thing back into the same spot? And then I had all my pretty dishes in it. So I'm like, you can't even really see it unless you've got your back to the sink and you're looking straight down at this cute cupboard with all my pretty things. So I thought, well, I'll just flip the table and that cupboard. So yeah, all the pink stuff goes back into my dining area, and it's just cute. I like looking at my stuff. I'm so visual. It's crazy. So anyhow, I was able to blast through this space in a matter of 2 hours, I think. 2 hours to have like a crazy dent, to even have like fabric. Like I rolled up all my towels, rolled up all my little blankets because they're pretty, and I put them under my black and white ocean shot of what I bought yesterday. And then the blue blankets that I have, and some are just pretty crocheted tablecloths that would go over tables that I would have at a market. So I thought I'm just going to like drape everything over that couch. The couch needs to have great cushion on the seat. So before you can really, I can't really redo it until I really build up that seat. So I thought that's going to look pretty. So I absolutely love it. And then I sat in my little pink chair, and then I look over at my work area, and I was like, don't really like the way I have that. So I'm just going to like change that around too. So and then I was able to pull things out of the hall closet. So now I have more space for my storage containers to go away, creating a little home for them. So I'm pretty psyched. I really love what I've been able to achieve in 2 days, especially yesterday was like a half day because I went out to visit my beautiful people. I love them both. And so yeah, today having an off day. Tomorrow I have like another half day of working. Sorry, I put something in the sink. So yeah, today I want it to be a great dent day. So what it is doing now is freeing up my mind to want to be able to, I will do the little teepee over the kitty litter for Oscar. That's going to look adorable. And then other projects that I wanted to do for me, like probably finish some of my alterations for my own clothing and designs. So I don't know. I guess it's just exciting for me to see what's going to happen. I'm just sort of taking things, day by day, and focusing on my clients and the orders. But now that the orders are going out, yeah, I feel really fantastic about everything. Anyway, I'm babbling again. Okay, well, I love you all. Enjoy the video. You're going to be able to see where I put all that stuff, and you're going to be able to watch me put it away. Yeah. Okay. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've made it this far through the video. I'm going to put on some music now, and this should be, I should be speeding everything up. Okay. Have a great day. Bye-bye.